Ganesh Chaturthi festival begins with fervor across the country. Devotees throng pandals to seek blessings from Bappa. Celebrated with fervor, viewers in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. This festival features the installation of Ganesha idols, community events and prayers. Ganesh Chaturthi is also known as Vinayak Chaturthi and it celebrates the birth of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. What we are bringing to you right now are visuals from different parts of the country. This set of visual is from Mumbai, and see how in Mumbai people are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, saying Ganpati Bappa Moria, and similarly there are festivities that are taking place in other parts of the country. These are the visuals coming in from Mumbai. Remember, in Mumbai specifically, thanks to Bollywood also, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated very differently with a lot of color, festivities, and this is something that people really look forward to as well in Mumbai. And of course in other parts of the country as well, we are getting in fact details of how people have come out. They are thronging pandals and also visiting temples to offer prayers to Lord Ganesha to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Now these visuals that you are seeing on your screens right now, these are from Coimbatore, and see how Lord Ganesha is being welcome there for Ganesh Chaturthi. It's a 10-day festival and everybody is extremely happy. We are seeing festivities all across, and festive spirit clearly has gripped the entire country, and these are the visuals coming in from Coimbatore. Earlier we got you visuals from Mumbai, and now let's tell you how Gujarat is celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, how Gujarat is welcoming Lord Ganesha for Ganesh Chaturthi, the 10-day festival that has started from today. And these visuals that you can see on your screens right now are from Ahmedabad. And we can see temples are decorated, and there are several pandals that are also set up during Ganesh Chaturthi. It is festive spirit. It's a lot of community spirit that we see also during Ganesh Chaturthi, where people in large numbers with their families and friends in fact come and visit pandals, and this is what we are now going to see over the next 10 days in different parts of the country. And this is how the country is celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. We'll be going across to my colleague Rucha also in just a few moments from now, and okay, she's joining us live right now. Rucha, good morning. So tell us a little bit about how Mumbai is celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. You know, thanks to Bollywood, everyone now looks forward to Ganesh Chaturthi and the celebrations.
Well, Mumbai city is the happiest, and everywhere where you go during these 10 days, you'll see the enthusiasm on street. I am currently present outside Lal Bagh Ka Raja, and this is a Ganesha Pandal which is completing 92 years this year, and we can see the decoration. It is known for the most decorative pandals of Mumbai, and lakhs of people gather here. In fact, millions of people, devotees gather here to seek blessings of Lord Ganesha, and this year the Lal Bagh Ka Raja decoration is based on the Tirupati Balaji themed temple, and we can see since morning, since in fact 4 a.m. this morning, after the Ganesh Chaturthi Puja was done, the devotees started gathering here since 4 a.m. and thousands have already been here. And the Lal Bagh Ka Raja is known for Navsa Sa Raja. Navas is the wishes that people ask for. It is believed that Lal Bagh Ka Raja fulfills all their wishes, and people stay here in queues for over 40 hours. Many a times people don't even get to see the idol of Lal Bagh Ka Raja, but they continue to be in the queue, and it is known as the most famous pandals of Mumbai city. Not just Lal Bagh Ka Raja, but here in Lal Bagh there's Parel Sa Raja, Mumbai Sa Raja, Chinpokli Sa Maharaja. Everywhere you go, Khetwadi, Girgaon, you will see lakhs of devotees seeking blessings of Lord Ganesha, and the enthusiasm, the festivity give to the Mumbaikars is on another level. Everywhere you go, you'll see how happy the streets are, and people mostly go out to seek blessings as well as to see the decorative pandals of Mumbai. As we can see, the beautiful decoration of Lal Bagh Sa Raja this year, and the idol of Lal Bagh is also famous. This is the 92nd year of the Ganesha pandal, and if we talk about the idol, it is also based on Tirupati Balaji temple, how the Tirupati has looked. Similarly, the Kamri family, who continues to make the idol for the 92nd year, continues to give another look to the Lord Ganesha. Over to you.
All right, Richa. Thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs. We'll keep coming